Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, as you've probably read from the title, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a candle haul with you, and I personally love watching these styles of videos. So the candles that I'm going to be showing you today are from a small Australian brand called Peli & Co. And they have actually recently launched their website, so I thought what better time to come on here and share some of their pieces with you. I have a few different styles of candles from them, and because I did start my collection 9 months ago, obviously there's lots of candles that I've gone through and burnt and now no longer have, but I have a little collection here, so I thought it would be the perfect time to show you a few of my favorite pieces. I'm gonna start with one of their candles that comes in a little tin like this. So this one here is lime, basil and mandarin. So refreshing, and as you can see I've already burnt it a little bit as well because I like to do that just to try them out sometimes. So this is one of the ones that I've had for a little while and I'm just going through. One of the great things about these tins is the sizes, especially if you're traveling. So for me, for example, when I'm in Adelaide and we go to our beach house, I like to bring a candle there as well, just because there's not one already there. And something like this is perfect because you're not really bringing something that's too big or too heavy with you. You can just pop it in your bag, bring it with you, use it there, and then even if you use it up, it doesn't matter, it's perfect. I feel like this would be perfect for a gift basket as well because it's not too big. So if you're putting a few different things into a gift basket, it'd be a nice little addition there as well. Next we have two candles. So these ones here are the same size, and I'll just show you up close a little bit. So these ones here are actually new. I've only received them last week, and the scents are tobacco and hay and myrrh and musk. I will confirm that. I'll put it up on the screen, and if you know how to pronounce that, then let me know. So both of the scents to me are quite musky. They're not really like fruity or flowery or anything like that. So if you're not into anything that's too sweet, then I think these ones would be perfect for you. Another thing which I love about these candles, and any candles really that come in jars like this, is that you can actually reuse the jars, especially when they come with little lids like this. So I tend to keep all my candles that I've burnt and then have the jars, and then I can use the jars around the house for different things. Next we have a diffuser, and this one here I have had for quite a while now, and I just keep it in our bedroom just next to the bed. So don't mind if it looks a little bit used because it is very used. So this one here is mimosa and pink apple, and it's this one here. And with the diffusers as well is that they're not really too strong. You can leave them in a room, and it's something that when you walk past you can smell them and it's nice like that, or they're good in small spaces as well. It's not something like a candle that is as strong that you're going to smell it and fill the whole room with it. But this one here for me, I've placed it on the bedside table next to the bathroom. Then every time I go from the bedroom to the bathroom, I can smell it and it's really nice. And lastly, the last diffuser, this one here I've recently opened, and we've put it into Aaron's office because he's working from home at the moment. And this one here is really nice. It's pear and freesia, I think. Again, I'll put it up on the screen and let me know if you know how to say it. But this one here to me is really, really beautiful, and it also smells incredible. So again, I've popped this one on the desk right next to the door when you walk in. So as soon as you walk into the room, you can smell it and it smells really nice. So those are the 5 candles and diffusers that I'm using at the moment from Peli & Co. And if you would like to try any of them, they have actually been kind enough to set up a discount code for you. So I will pop that up on the screen now for you, and also leave it in the description box down below. As always, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. And if there's anything that I'm not able to answer, then I'm sure that the beautiful team at Peli & Co would be more than happy to answer them for you. And if you enjoy this style of video, then please let me know by liking. And if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, then please do. It would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.